Pesa Cikarang tinggal di Rawe Tegar. Untuk anak-anak dan untuk hiburan selanjutnya kita lanjut saja. Ibu-ibu, bapak-bapak, anak-anak yang jauh silakan merapat, yang dekat semakin mendekat karena acara gelaran hari ulang tahun Republik Indonesia ke-79 ini kita mulai lagi dari semuanya ya. Kita mulai dari perlombaan selanjutnya yaitu lomba melintasi kolam dengan menaiki. Ayo silakan kita mulai dari sekarang. Siapa yang berani meluncur langsung ambil nomornya. Hanya berkesempatan satu kali jalan mendapatkan satu uang kertas yang sudah tergantung di atas batu. Jadi silakan, Anda yang punya keberanian, iya, Anda yang punya keberanian langsung saja berjalan di atas batu dan raih uang yang Anda inginkan. Khusus untuk ibu-ibu, ibu-ibu yang jauh di sana silakan merapat dan siapkan door prize-nya. Selagi berjalan untuk perlombaan, Bapak juga akan berjalan.
Sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug. Feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same.
Iya, kita saksikan ibu-ibu yang penjat kedebok pisang telah dimulai. Di sana ada Bung Opet, ada Bung Hiram, ada di sana Bung Bus. Siapa yang telah lulus? Ya, Bung. Saya kalau Bung. Saya tenangkan atau Bung? Iya, ternyata panjat kedebok pisang sangat mudah sekali ya, sekitar 2 jam baru tereliminasi di kedebok pisang. Selamat ya. Tapi si musuh mulai legrok lulus. Aku ke beres benang main lah beres benang. Tadi itu dah. Mau ngadain apa di parem udah main karena. Ya silakan diturunkan saja bos, diturunkan satu persatu. Ada lulus pun mulai santai lah tadinya bos. Lulus mas. Sebentar di sana ya untuk lomba menyeberang ya. Untuk lomba menyeberangi bambu silakan dilanjut saja. Dilanjut, abang sini ya, dilanjut saja. Ataupun tunggu dulu di atas tambah senang marah ini dah hese tak gitu. Tuh, tadi dah hese dah. Alah, panggil tinggal. Jagoan tuh.
Saan euy.
Ayo, yang lainnya, ayo. Yang lainnya. Ayo berempat yang lainnya, ayo. Ayo, yang lainnya benar kita semua tadi Ridwan. Eta si Ridwan kalau kita lain kagak labu. Kaget si Ridwan maaf. Si Abian mana si Abian dekatinya si Abian yo. Hiji tuh bos rusak di kabeson mah. Panai eta na silet dinya. Jarang kuat saya pemobrokan. Ayo lainnya tak gitu yang di bawah cepat naik, kata kakinya langsung naik mah yang di bawah cepat langsung naik. Hati-hati oleh sana, hati-hati oleh sana. Simpan. Ada bela. Ayo mana dulu lainnya? Sakar kita lengka si Abian, daki si Abian, bakar kita lengka. Aleta, ayam. Si Pami mangan jole dia. Ayo tuh Alde, tadi cekal kawan Alde. Si Alde kasih habis dulu. Bener tuh Alde mah. Tolong tanam ke bulan, tong. Tong ditanam ke bulan. Tong ditanam ke bulan, tong atapun kemana sagaring nagrete baru udah mantap. Yang tong ditanam hendai karunya atapun. Tong, terus ada kayaknya ada bonang. Minang karena saya ada kayaknya kababuhan, turun ke bulan ini, kamu di bulan ini bikin lor, gitu, Kau tak salah dia, terus tak salah dia. Tanya kau kawan. Ayo pasti Islam menjaga masyarakat ya, Islam menjaga masyarakat. Terus nama. Dia di dalam turun, bisa tinggal. Di dalam naik. Allah, memang kayak kupu-kupu mana ya mas? Allah, cing salabi, Tarang kedua mereka bikin salabi, Allah, jadi jual di Eko. Dan kenaan mereka kupu-kupukan, juga salabi patokan kena tangkap. Allah, kalau siraman, Allah, jolet, Ayo Aldi. Ayo Aldi. Jalan. Saya. Arsan. Ayo Arsan. Satu meter 7. Ibu-ibu berapa? Corbet. Ya Allah berapa? Tinggal ibu-ibu. Ya dompet ibu-ibu. Kurang habiskan dompetnya dilihat toples. Dompet ya bersama Bapak Manor kita bacakan untuk dompet ya. Lihat kembali ibu-ibu kerumunan di pusatnya. Masih kene banyak dompetnya. Siap-siap ibu-ibu memegang kartu kuponnya dibuka. Kurang dorok-dorokannya. Siap ibu-ibu, mulai 096 belum. Ya. Ya. Lanjut. Kosong 0610. Lanjut. 0823. 0823. Lanjut. 0392. 0392. Pecin, Deadlock. Lanjut. 0005. 0005. Iya. Iya. Lanjut. 0797. 0797. Lanjut. 0771. 0771.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.
0761.
Some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror.
0761.
I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. There's no risk if you don't try it. Everything, see you in the next life, have to be a better me. Think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grab it, gotta get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest. Better change my mind. I could walk, see, here, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day.
0102.
And I pray, all I need are some better days.
0102, lanjut sayangkan. 0711.
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace?
Lanjut 0248.
But I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine.
Lanjut
0937.
0937.
On Sundays, I guess it's different for each of us. And
Iya.
well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
0437. 0437.
Cause all I want, and I pray. I believe
Lanjut
in a better day. Living life every day, late at night.
0556.
And I pray, all I need
0556, silakan.
all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Ya. Lanjut. 0391. 0391. 0931. Lanjut. 0259.
Likely, I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded.
0259.
Numbers grow is what I call sightseeing.
0018.
The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain. Turning losses into gains. I'm making change, I've been working this exchange. Popping off and risking things. Gonna be famous.
0678.
I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness.
Lanjut. 0237. 0237. Lanjut. 065 0605. 0605. Lanjut.
Okay, I'm going off every chance I get.
0032.
Admit, that's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna take shots if I miss all, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, stand tall, I'm sweating, I never back up, I miss a beat, always learning. You could call me academic, I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Lanjut. Salah seangka, belum berhasil. Okay. Lanjut. Puntennya, nah warga anu bade ngiring sawe nanti Pak Haji, tapi dengan syarat turun ke kana kulahnya. Dengan syarat turun ke kana kulahnya. Sekali-kali ada orang ngiringin sawer di Pak Haji, tapi dengan syarat turun ke kana kulah. Bagus kan tidak berhasil ya. Kembali kado fresh. Kayak ibu-ibu siapkan kartuna, kupona siapkan olah. Siapkan kupona siapkan. Oh, kayak ibu-ibu. 0223